How many of y'all enjoying this original music Exile's dropping, you know what I mean? Oh yeah. Y'all know the vibes, you know what I mean? Flipping through the records and shit, you know what I mean? Looking for that. Oh shit. Say what, say what? This song right here, it's a song of perseverance, making it out the struggle. Know what I'm talking about? Yo, it's 6 o'clock, I'm hopping out of the bed. Rain falling, calling X, but my phone locked. I guess my bills ain't paid, no route to work for the day. Second option, hop the bus, but it's a traffic delay. My boss tripping cause I'm running late, it ain't no. Yo, I'm about to be 22 without a whip, I can still feel like I'm finna shoot my own dome with chrono escape. I'm zoning out, working out of work what I make. My lady calling, bugging, always fussing just as we ain't calling. It's hard because the cousins fucking rich, her husband's hustling. I ain't fucking touching nothing but a 5 o'clock and off for work, I'm about to go home and write. But I ain't got a buck to catch the bus, chilling at the stop. Rain falling hard as ever in the soaking my socks. Fuck it, kick my kicks off, took off my jacket, roll my jeans up, beat up in my headphones, blast and blaze some weed up. Started laughing, splashing in puddles like motherfucking struggle. We dancing in the rain, dancing in the rain, dancing in the rain. Sing along if you feel the same. Don't nobody wanna dance slow in the rain. No, 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 move yo. Just move your ass. I done, yo. And don't nobody wanna liberate the weight of the pain. No, 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 no. Just move your ass. Okay? Yo, sometimes I hate taking trips to the lab. Got my pen pad, booking instrumentals to smash. Catch the bus regardless. Trying hard to be an artist, but my agent only calling me out my zone into his office. Being cautious, he don't want my records to break. Asking me how I think my project's progressing and shit. I said, cool. The truth is I'm stressing a crap, cause it's hard to make music when there's depression. They say use it as inspiration. The best of them did, that's them. I can handle this pressure for shit. If you ask me, stress is a bitch. My girl needs more attention and my record label's desperate for hits. And now I'm pissed, I'm getting out the zone again. Makes me start to dread. I see your microphone and yo, it ain't supposed to be like that. I said I'll be right back. I left the office, got a phone and called my partner Jack, and I asked him, remind me while I'm rapping. Right before he answered, I remember my passion in the past, scribbling in my tablet to box out my mom and dad scrapping. Tell me when my grandmother passed, plus the many times when I was homeless, and the times when I was broke, and music made a way when I was hopeless. He told me to remember the rain, it'll diminish. Then he told me not to ask him again, cause I don't nobody wanna dance slow in the rain. No, 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 move yo, just move your ass. Da, yo, and don't nobody wanna liberate the weight of the pain. No, 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 just move your ass. Oh yeah, one more time from the top. Don't nobody wanna. No, 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 no. Just move your ass. Yo. And don't nobody wanna liberate the weight of the pain. No, 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 no. Move yo. Just move your ass. Oh yeah, y'all know what it is. Make some noise for yourselves, yo.